shapes, crescent, star, cross, circle, oval, pentagon, octagon, hexagon, rectangle, square. Colors: gray, black, white, orange, purple, pink, yellow, blue, red, green. Colors: vegetables, eggplant, onion, potato, chili, capsicum, ginger, mushroom, bitter gourd, broccoli, peas. Household items: cupboard, TV, toaster, washing machine, microwave oven, refrigerator, bathtub, sofa, clock, desk lamp. Fruits: pear, apple, watermelon, banana, cherry, strawberry, pomegranate, pineapple, mango, grape. Profession: postman, policeman, chemist, teacher, artist, mechanic, doctor, firefighter, pilot, chef.